Hi, yeah, that's me. I bought out all the yarn. The worst thing that could happen when you're crocheting happened to me. I ran out of yarn. So I found like this really big pink and it doesn't even match. It doesn't even match, but it's just another shade of pink. It's cool. I'm gonna work with it and try to get this done. So what's the time right now? It is currently 2:42 p.m. I have an art show that I want to get to at 8:30. So let me be very realistic about this. It's gonna take me about, let me say an hour and a half to get ready for this. 6. I need to have this completed by 6. So that means in the next 3 hours, I need to get this scarf to be floor length. Well, actually, it's got to be a little bit longer than floor. Like, it's got to be able to wrap, and it's going to be really long. This is a very lofty goal that I have, but I have decided to dedicate these next 3 hours to making this super long, skinny scarf. I think I got it, I got my coffee. I'm about to get into bed, get in my comfortable crocheting position. It's a crochet in bed type of day because I'm going to be here for a while. Let me back up like a lot more. This is it. Can you see it? Yeah, all right, so this is the scarf, super long, basically almost touches the floor, and I have it wrapped around my neck. So cute. This is a very colorful outfit. It's giving art teacher, and that's what I was going for. We are at the art show. If you've made it to this point in the video, thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.